Hi friends, welcome to IMO Videos, Standard 9th, video number 122, Logical Reasoning, Section A, Easy, let's start. How many pairs of letters are there in the word creative which have the same number of letters between them as in the English alphabet? Means they should have same number of alphabets as in the original ABCD. Say this, C, D, E, T, U, V, A, B, C, D, E. Answer is 3 pairs. 6 books PQRSTU are placed side by side. R, Q and T are blue colors, others are red. S and U are new books, the rest are old. PRS are law reports, rest are gazetters. Which two books are old gazetters with blue covers? Write all the books one below the other. Then write the conditions. RQT blue, others red. Then S and U new, others old. PRS law, others gazetters. So what we want? Old gazetters with blue color. So Q, old gazetters with blue cover. T, so Q and T is the answer. This is the easiest way to solve. This is called as matrix method. Two rows are given. This is first row, this is second row. The resultant of each row is to be worked out separately. Remember, the two rows have no connection with each other. Okay. These are the rules given. Now while watching or viewing these rules, remember one basic rule. Only check the first important word. Odd, even, odd, odd. So out of these 5, 1, 2 and 3. 3 are for odd and 2 are for even. Now check the rules. Odd is followed by even. Then the rule says it is to be subtracted. So 67 minus 12 is 55. Now instead of these two, 55 comes over here. Now odd is followed by prime. So this fifth rule, odd by prime, then the first divided by the second. So 55 upon 11 is 5. Now this is x that is given. See last line, x is the resultant of first row, means x is 5. Now we have to find the resultant of this second row. So 25 and 14. Even followed by odd, then add them. Rule number 2. So now it becomes 25 over here. Odd followed by even. Then rule number 4. Odd by even, then second one subtracted from the first one. 25 minus 14 is 11. 11 is the resultant of the second one. 11 is the answer. You solve it yourself. A number arrangement machine, when given an input, rearranges them in the following steps. Now, if the input is this, then these are the steps followed. Now, if the input is this, then what would be the steps and which would be the third step? That is the question. Just check what is this machine doing. It is arranging the numbers in descending order and replacing the numbers in that place earlier in the descending orders number place. Means 550 is the highest number, bring 550 over here and is 25 over here. Then next highest number is 345, bring 345 over here in step 2 and 280 over here, right? Then third step is 147 over here and 93 over here. So sorry, 36 over here. So you exchange those places. So here it will be 288, 462 first step, then 288 second step, then 225 third step. Now so the answer becomes D. It's not B, because up to step number 3 we will come up to 225 only. We won't go beyond that. In the given Venn diagram, triangle is the female graduates. Small circles, self-employed females without bank loan. Big circle, self-employed females with bank loans. Now we have to find non-graduate self-employed females without bank loans. We want non-graduate, means out of this triangle, and no bank loan, so out of this circle also. So only answer is 3. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook. WhatsApp on the number for purchase